Hi, this is Saran, CEO and founder of NextBrain. Now I'm going to give the demo about a grocery ordering software. So NextBrain is expertise into e-commerce, web and mobile app development. Especially for last 3 4 years, we are building a various web and mobile based product into e-commerce, especially food ordering application, grocery, spa booking and courier booking kind of on-demand delivery apps. So as you see, like the market is booming, like every store want to convert into online. It might be a grocery, pharmacy, restaurants, or anything, even a fashion products. So since obviously people are adapted to use mobiles and web to order in online. So that is the reason, like any businesses, they are trying to convert into their next channel. So somehow they want to compete into market. So every business want to go into online. So by considering a market need, what we did, we developed a ready-made e-commerce solution which can fit to any businesses. So it might be a grocery, or it might be a restaurant, or it might be fashion, retail, pharmacy, or anything. So now the product is ready, and of course it's been ready for last couple of years. Like even we deployed to 10 plus customers, especially this grocery solution alone. So we have a ready-made solution for grocery ordering with a website, iPhone, Android app for customer, and a delivery by Android app, and a complete admin panel where the site owner can manage everything. So first let me start with the customer web front end. So let's go over step by step. So let's take, once you have purchased our product, like obviously the first thing, like everything you can set up as you need in terms of branding. Like it's 100% voice label, and we will give you the complete source code, so you can customize as you need. So the first thing is that, see the your logo, which is where you can set up your brand from admin panel. You can go and change by yourself, so you don't want to do any code at all. And the second, you can see like shop by category, like you can set up a number of category as you needed. And of course, like it's all it has a dummy data, so that's the reason it's not looking so proportional. So if you just see this section, baby kids, how cool it's a design. If you design in similar way, obviously you're able to attract your customers in in better presentation. So and of course they able to browse the offers which is available. So offers is it's a promotional code where customer able to use those promotional code into checkout process and claim the discount. So for example, that is one thing. And also they able to browse the list of product which they have the offer. So let me go one by one. And they able to contact you, and they able to see the favorite product which they have ordered. And here they can search any product as they want. For example, let's go with Apple. If the products are matching, like we are using a strong search algorithm here, where it will search with the product category name and obviously description, and it will show the product in real time, so they can choose which product they want to go. Let's take it, it will goes to directly into product detail page. And here this is users profile account, where they able to go to profile section and they able to manage everything. And it's a cart section where they able to see cart count, and what is the count of product they have ordered, etc. Let's go here. See here you can see the great deals which is added from backend. Like by default we are showing the products with product name, and if there is an any offer, we will show us a tagline. And the quantity, I mean the unit, whether it's ml or unit, whatever. And it shows original price and discounted price. And you can add to cart. So you can see the response message over here. See, we are also showing a most popular product which is based on the purchase. You can see a customer able to see all the category which is added from backend, and obviously like they able to browse the product based on the categories. See, you can see like it's been framed with the multiple links by, with the subcategories. and it's a small paragraph where you can write about yourself, and the footer contains about the links for terms and conditions, privacy policy, and etc. Like these coupons and blah, let it be here. And you able to add the city where you are doing a service. As a grocery, they cannot, let's take a supermarket store, they can't survey for the whole city, or they can't survey for the whole country. In that case, they can mention which area they are targeting and surveying. And here you can see the app links where where your customer able to click the link and download the mobile application. It has a social media links as well as. So let's assume, let's go for fruits and vegetable. See, you able to see this URL, right? Like where these URLs are framed with SEO standard, like based on category name it will appear here, and it has a very neat banner. Like you can add a better banner as you need it. It's everything is managed from admin panel. Like in product listing page, customer able to filter the product by brand. It seems no products in particular brand. So on the second, they can filter by discount, and they can filter by price, and whenever and also they can filter by a category of product, subcategory of product. So whenever they are browsing the product list, we are using a lazy loader which is loading the product based on their scrolling. Let's check. I'm going to add this product to cart. It's been added over here. See, this is a very important feature of the application where customer able to see all the cart list, and you see it has a product name and product units and picture and price, discounted price, and the quantity where they can increase or decrease it. If they decrease, it will be deleted over here. And sorry, it's not deleting, like it's only for decreasing, and they can use this delete icon for deleting from the cart list. And of course, they able to see all the product which they have added into cart, and they can see the total price over here. And also based on the settings, we have free delivery message. For example, let's take a customer want to get a free order. There is a minimum limit, admin can set it. For example, if they set only 500 rupees, then we'll show like, hey, you need to place an order for 500 to get a free delivery. Otherwise, so the message will be customized based on order value over here. And of course, like you can go to checkout process. So in checkout, they can see the summary about complete product, like list of product with quantity option, price, and option to remove. And they able to see the subtotal of the price, products list, and delivery cost. You can set delivery cost from backend, and it shows the what is the GST amount, and they can back to shopping, or they can go to payment process. Here, like of course, here again we are showing the summary of all the list. They can use the promo code. Like if you have any promo code, like they able to apply and get the discount. So we have a provision to add the promo code from backend, where they able to add and issue the promo code to customer via email or social media marketing or offline marketing or anything as they want to do. Here, like you can choose delivery or pickup option where it will be customer come to your store and pick up. If you want to deliver, they can choose a delivery address. So these addresses are already added. Suppose if you want to add a new address, you can add it yourself. So it has like all the field, like a black unit, street name, postal code, building, etc. And of course, it will be pointed into map. So it will fetch the current location. It will fetch the GPS location and store it. And if you want to add any additional nodes while placing an order, obviously you can do that. So just I'm trying with some dummy test. and they must have option for a delivery slot. Like as a grocery, they cannot just place as a general e-commerce process. So I've been able to define what are the delivery slots they have. Example, they might be delivering at the morning 6 to 8 or evening 6 to 8. So they can define like what's the delivery slot they have for a day, and if it's purely dynamic. So I'm going to choose one delivery slot, and it's just selected here. And regarding a payment method, we have two options like cash on delivery or online payment. For online, we have integrated PayPal gateway, and of course, payment gateway will be integrated based on a customer country. If a customer is coming from US, of course, this PayPal will work. If they are coming from other country, if this PayPal is not working, we will help them to integrate any payment gateway which is working in their country. Of course, it will we will help we will do one payment gateway integration in default way. So let's take, if you do cash on delivery, what we'll do, like we will send the OTP code, since there is a possible to get a lot of fake orders in cash on delivery. So to avoid it, we have a OTP code process. So whether it will send the OTP code in email or mobile or both, if you request, it will send the OTP code, then they have to enter the OTP code to confirm the order. Here I am trying to go with PayPal option. So the PayPal gateway is in test mode. So it's already defined with my test username. And let me select password, paste it here. So let's take, I have processed the payment. Now payment gateway is redirecting to the merchant account. Successfully my order has been placed. As a customer, I am able to see the list of product, again a complete summary, and of course the delivery information like my address and the delivery time and slot, and my notes and the payment method. And let me go here. See, I can edit the profile over here. I am able to see my orders in my order section. Like, see, this is the order which is placed now for 318, and you can see the order ID, date, and delivery date, and order date, status. If you go order detail page, like you're able to see the complete information about order ID, date, and the status. It will be updated based on the backend status where admin is updating. Again, you're able to see the complete summary, and you're able to see the again order status. Everything is there. As a you're able to cancel the order within approximate time which is defined from backend, and you're able to download the invoice. Like the download, I mean invoice will be downloaded into PDF format. And let's take, if you want to make a same order again, you can do reordering. So regarding the address, like it have an option to add a multiple address list. Like you can choose your location and add address as a number. There is no limit at all. And let me go my code favorite product. So change border, if you want to change the password, you can do here. And log out. And regarding favorite product, it will show the list of favorite product if you have added. Currently I haven't added anything. So let's go to my orders here, and of course we will come back here after seeing the admin panel. So this is offer section where people able to browse the product which has the offer. It's the same as product listing page which we seen earlier. See, it seems there is no coupons available. If admin has added coupons, it will show list of coupons over here. Like people able to see those coupon code and browse, and they able to copy and use it into checkout time. And regarding the blog, see, for every website, blog is nowadays mandatory, since we need to keep updating some new content into website where it will help you to get ranked into Google. It's one of a content marketing, and obviously it will bring more visitors when you are posting a regular blogs, and people will stay, and people will know about your brand name, and it's all about giving the updates to your customer, and also it will be helping lot in terms of search engine optimization. And here we will be having the contact us form where your customer able to see all your contact information, and they able to follow you in social media, and even they able to submit a form, and the mail will hit your email account. So it's about about us where the content will be optimized as you guys need it. And next, let me go to admin panel. So this is admin panel dashboard. Here you are able to see the basic count only, how many users you have, how many products you have added, how many coupon code. So the coupon code might be expired. That is the reason it's not shown into website frontend. And it's a newsletter subscribers and how many orders, etc. Here it's a category, as admin you able to see number of category which is added over here. You can add a category. So see, this category module is utilized for multiple purpose. You can add the category for blog module, coupon module, or product module. Just one task for 3 module. And of course it has option to add a category name, type, URL, and meta information for search engine and images, etc. And here you are able to add a number of brands, since whenever you are adding a product, brand is important. And here you are able to see a list of your customers who is ordered, who has signed up into your platform. For example, it has their name, email ID, and a group, and the platform. If it is Android user, it shows Android user, or iOS user, or web user, etc. Registered date and status, and is verified. For example, they need to click their email ID, and they have to verify their email. And of course, you have a full provision to see them and delete them and block them. And also regarding the address type, you can add the address type as you need it. It will be visible for users when they are adding or editing an address. Groups is it's a group where you can categorize your customers, so it will be used to send the bulk email, etc. And the banners, see, there are a couple of banner management here, see, it has a banner in home page and it has a banners in offer page. So from here you can add the banner which will be shown into front end. So it's a purely dynamic, you can do as you need it. And very important, it's supposed for multiple languages. You can add a number of languages, and obviously you can choose which language the banner has to come. It will come here. Even our application, the whole application is supporting for multiple language option. So if you want to add the product in 2 languages, you can add it. So based on a customer language selection, it will appear. And it's email notification template, we are sending an email for various activities like registration, change password, placing a new order, and forget password, etc. You can edit all the email templates from here itself. And blog, you can add a number of blogs, you can add the new blog, edit, delete, and manage it. And regarding the settings, we have a complete settings about the application over here. For example, you can change the site name, description, and ownership, your contact details, meta information, logo, everything here. Even you have an option to change this copyright text, and you can set the free delivery minimum amount and the tag settings, etc. And of course, it complete management is available over here. And here it's a CMS, which is a content management system, where you can add the pages as you need it, about us, contact us, private policy. You can edit it as you need it, and you can add a number of pages as per your needs. And also very important, we have a roles and permission, which means Like let's take you have a couple of steps into your company or your store. If they want to manage only your customer module, you can create the login access and define a role. So whenever they log in into admin panel, they can see only the users module. Even in the users module, if you give them a permission to see only view option, they can only view. They won't have option to edit or delete or anything else. Okay. Similarly, like you can define a role for order management or customer management or offers management. So it will streamline and obviously reduce your management with your various types activities. And very important, products. So you can add the products over here. See which are already added product like a paneer, home and kitchen category, quantity how much, original price and discounted price, and the status it shows either it's active or inactive. It's a published or unpublished. You have all the options like you can see how to add the product. See to add the product you need a product name and the URL will be prepared automatically. You need to add SKU and a description, brand name. You have to select what is the brand name and category name, meta information and the products image, product detail image, and origin of the country, and of course like a few governments made it mandatory to have the origin of the product nowadays. So etc. It has all the fields and also you able to see the very key fields over here like what is the weight, whether it's a bottle, gram, kilogram, liter or a box, pack, etc. And the value able to do that. So you can add the product here. And also we have option to import a multiple product with the Excel file. Like you can keep all your products into Excel file and import it. And see this is a very important as orders module. Like if you come here, see this is the order which we placed and where admin able to filter the orders by date, from date or to date or amount from or amount to or order status and the payment method. Here this order which we placed. Let's go in. See you as a owner you able to see the order ID, customer name, price and their contact information. Even you can download the invoice which is generated and the payment information. PayPal payment type is PayPal and the currency is rupee. And here you are able to see the delivery information slot instruction. Here you are able to see the product list, the complete summary. And here it's order status. For example, let's assume you are a processor or you are packed. So you can change the status called packed. So the status will be updated. Even the same status will be updated to customer over here. See the order status is packed. And if you change the status you can so we have a complete order status management like it make by default it will be initiated once you are packed you can make it packed or you can change the processor or then dispatched then delivered. And if you click notify and it will be notified to customer with a push notification in iOS, Android and web as well as. And here you are able to manage the return orders. If somebody make the orders return, then it will be coming over here. And of course you are able to search and filter. You can do all the activities over here. Reports and analytics. We have a basic reports module for all major modules. For example, see order report. You are able to see like a week date from this date to this date, n number of orders, number of products, number of tax amount included in this order, total amount, etc. We have a complete reporting structure for orders, return orders, customers, coupons and the products. Next is drivers management. So we have an option for delivery by management also. For example, once the order is placed, right, then you are able to assign a delivery boy to deliver that particular order. So of course, like a bike, now we are considering it as your own driver since we never implemented. We not implemented a earning module for driver. So as your own driver, like you can create the account to them, like they able to log in into Android phone, and they have to be online. So whenever the order comes, the order will be automatically assigned to them. And also it's based on location, and also you have option to assign the orders manually from backend. See, for example, here this order is not assigned to anybody yet. Like you can go over here, it seems no drivers available currently, so it will show list of drivers over here. You need to choose driver and you have to assign it. Okay. And when the order is assigned to a particular driver, and it will be pushed to them, they will get a push notification with the vibration, something like that, and they can see the notification and see the order information. And as a driver, obviously they should be logged into application, and their location will be updated to us always. I will we'll show like what is their location and all. And once the order is pushed to them, first they will get the push notification, and after getting the push notification, they can view the order information. It will show the pickup location, which is a store location, delivery location, which is a customer location, and order summary, like what are the items need to be collected and delivered, and then option to route, like from their location to customer location, they able to do Google map route, and they can call the customer. We have option to call from phone itself. Let's assume once they picked the parcel, they have option to change the order status as picked. And once they go to customer place and they delivered, they able to change the status as completed, and also they have option to get a digital signature from customer. So customer can sign with driver mobile and over it. So by after signing, the automatically order will be delivered. Then customer will get the option to rate in their ordering screen, I mean in my order page. So the complete flow, this is how works. Once a customer place, it will be pushed to admin, where admin able to see the order information, pack, and they able to assign the delivery by. Driver will go to customer place and deliver it. So the complete process is managed over here. Like you can add the number of drivers. We do not have any limitation at all. See, this is about driver location. Like we are storing driver locations for some X duration, and you able to see all the drivers who, I mean, where they are and all. And of course you able to filter them, who is available or who is busy, etc. Like we are updating the status as well as, since they have option to do that. And here and of course, like you able to make some driver settings, like order accept time, like they have to accept within this duration, and the driver's total orders request at a time, they can receive only 5 orders. So you can define the settings as you needed. And here it's coupons, where you able to create a coupon code, and it will be available into customer website, iPhone and Android app. And see, you able to create a coupon title, description, coupon code, like first 100, something like that, and coupon type, like its amount or percentage. If it is percentage, you have to enter the percentage name, category of the product, start date, end date, blah blah blah. So everything is there over here. Then let's go to subscribers, and it will help you to send the newsletter subscription. And of course email marketing is very important nowadays to get active about your customers. Either you can use some third party integration for email marketing, or even we have option to send it ourselves. Like you can go over here and you can send the newsletter. Like we have option to set the SMTP, like it's a default SMTP, it's a MailChimp. So you can choose the message, and you can enter the subject and the message, and then you are able to send to the people, and automatically the mail will goes to people. And this about the activities, like as admin, I'm able to see all the activities which is happening into my application, like if somebody placed an order or somebody cancelled the order, etc. Here, very important like push notification. Like a push notification is a key feature in any mobile application to have a customer engagement. So, if you let's assume you have a offer, like what you can do, like you can send a push notification to them, and it seems there isn't some issues. Yeah, it's a loader. Sorry about the delay. See, we have so many users. It's all like a kind of a dummy users who want to test it. Like I just selected the users, and what I can do, I can send the message as I needed. So it will be pushed to everyone. And here reviews. Once order is placed and delivered to customer, customer have option to place read the review. It will help you to understand the customer feelings, like how I mean what is their expectation, whether your driver is delivered or whether your items are facts. It will help you to understand the complete business process by customer perspective. So as admin, you able to see all the customers feedback over here, and of course it has a ratings and a message and status, etc. So this is what our complete web application, like any businesses who want to go online in any industry. It might be a fashion, or it might be any other retail, or it might be sports store, or it might be a grocery or anything. We have a perfect solution with a web, iOS and Android mobile application with delivery by management as well as. So for your information regarding the technology, the web application was developed with Laravel PHP framework, and we used a database called PostgreSQL, and iOS we used Swift, Android we used Java. And of course, like once you purchase the product from us, we will do a complete deployment. It will be in same budget, and of course, like you need to give us a few inputs, like third party information, like you need to provide us your payment gateway merchant information, and you need to give us a SMS gateway, you need to give us a domain server SSL. Regarding a server, we are prepared with any dedicated server or cloud server, especially AWS or Azure or DigitalOcean. Then you have to provide Apple developer account, Google Play developer account, and your logo if you have. If you don't have, no problem, be able to do that. And you need to give us a content and your contact information, etc. Once you give all those documents, so what we will do, like we will deploy the product and we will hand out to you. And our process will, let's take if you started the product, I mean if you want to kick up the e-commerce store, like you can contact us, and we will help you to do a complete e-commerce setup into web, iOS and Android platform. And of course, like we have a strong team into digital marketing now. Like we recently hired 5 experienced people into digital marketing, since maximum of our customer want to handle with one vendor from design, development, maintenance and digital marketing. And of course we are helping many companies to do digital marketing as well as. So as a digital transformation company, we can help any stores or businesses or startup people who want to go online with the e-commerce solution. We can help them from UX design, development and maintenance and digital marketing. Thank you guys. If you want to start or kick up your e-commerce business, let's meet and discuss further. Thank you.